Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've had this canvas for a while and I want to mess with it. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to use some Meden black. And I might swipe. But I'm definitely going to cover some of the black. Use some of the black to cover what's here. And then possibly use a toothy tool just to see how I like it. And I'm going to use some turquoise cell activator because I can. Because I want to see what it's going to look like. Maybe everywhere. Because I like it that much. Now what? Now I've got some Gold-Deco-art 24 karat gold with copper. There's a copper color because I added some, I think it was Hollyberry or Dancing Fuchsia. Which I might add a little more Dancing Fuchsia to, actually. Don't have a clue what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. So I want some white, I think. And then I'll go back to the other options. That will probably still include something interesting. Hopefully. Like a toothy tool. We'll see. I'm liking that Dancing Fuchsia a lot. I'm not sure it'll work as well as a cell activator as the actual paint color itself. That copper is not selling yet anyway. I've got a little indigo teal I might use. And I'm tempted by some gold. But I have gold underneath everything, so I don't really need that if I want to scrape through. This could be really fast. I like leaving some of that color from underneath exposed. I really want to bring in my nail art tool and put down my spatula. I thought I was going to use these swipe cards, but they really weren't necessary. Never sure how it's going to turn out if I try and draw through things, but I think this might be okay. Just adding some texture basically. Here, there, and everywhere. I like the texture. It's a little nerve-wracking. But I like my color choices. Strangely enough. Do I need any more? I kind of want a little bit more. Let's use some Dazzling white. I still want some of the teal. Indigo teal. It's not open. And then grab some more Dancing Fuchsia, if it's open. Although I really like the black lacing in the copper. See, for me this is much more exciting than it was. I'm going to grab myself a small silicone brush and fill in some shapes if I feel like it with my residuals, because why not? I'm loving that cell activator. I'm loving my cells too. I forgot I could use my silicone brush. I'm not sure I really want to. No, I'm going to be good. I'm going to try and be good. I'm going to call it good. Maybe I'll do another painting. Do I want anything else? I kind of do. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. So let me grab a little bit of gold. Deco-art Americana 24 karat gold. A few dots never hurt anything. I'm always saying that. And whatever shows through from underneath will be a cool pattern. almost there. I don't want to space them too evenly, but I don't really think it matters that you don't have some design underneath this. The colors are still good. And I think the dots don't hurt a thing. They actually kind of help. Not sure how bright the turquoise will be. It'd be kind of sad to lose it all, but hopefully it'll stand up. We'll see, I guess, together tomorrow. Yeah, that's interesting. That's definitely freestyle swiping at its best. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.